Hello viewers, EX Relic here. Today I'm going to make chicken, bacon and peas. It's a French dish, and ingredients I'm going to use garlic, spring onions, chicken stock, a lettuce. Try to use a little gem if you can, some smoked bacon lardons, a kilo of chicken thighs, some creme fraiche and frozen peas. I'm going to make a dish here that's going to feed at least 4, and it's probably going to be well under a 10 of this, cheap as chips. So pay attention, because this dish is an absolute bazinga. Yeah, almost forgot, and we're going to put potatoes in it. I'm using miniatures, and I'm going to keep the skin on, okay? Because there's some goodness in that, believe it or not. Bit of roughage never does anybody any harm. That's what my grandma said anyway. Right, just a tip here. I've cut the stalk out of the lettuce, so I'm only using half a lettuce. But you don't want long pieces, so what the trick is to, oops, knock your camera over. I'm going to cut the half now into half again, so it's a quarter, and then I'm just going to cut across like this, so the pieces of lettuce are not too big. Okay. Try and keep your fingers on, so it's easier if you've got 10 fingers when you're cooking. Right, can you see I've done that? Okay, there's the tip. Right, hope you're paying attention. Right viewers, I'm just showing you, with the chicken thighs, buy skinless and boneless, because I'm having to fillet them. I'm having to take the bone out and take the skin off, and it takes too much time, to be honest with you. So pay attention, you want to buy skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and it'll save you a lot of time rather than taking the bone and the skin out. You don't want to cook this dish with the skin on, because it goes slimy and it's not pleasant. So you want skinless, boneless chicken thighs, right? Okay, that's your tip. Right viewers, there you go. I filleted these chicken thighs myself, took the skin off, took the bones out. My knife wasn't sharp enough, and loads of problems. I've wasted 20 minutes there. So I'm going to emphasise, buy skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Okay, there's about 10 there, it's about a kilo in weight, and they're not expensive. But what I've done, there's a bit of a Brucey bonus, is there's the skin, and I've put the skin on a tin foil tray, and I'm actually going to bake it and use it as croutons on the dish. So it's a new experiment that for everybody to look at. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to season the salt. Have you heard me? What we're going to do is season the chicken skin with salt and a bit of pepper, a bit of love there, and that's going to look fantastic when it's sprinkled on the top of the dish, I think. Yeah, so we'll season the chicken thighs when they're in the pan. So that's all the instructor says. Right. One extra steak. Right viewers, I'm going to just put in a packet of bacon lardons, 200 grams here, cheap as chips, cheaper than chips actually. So I'm just going to plonk these in, like that, and dry fry them so they change colour, and I'm going to leave the fat in the pan to actually fry the chicken. So again, I always use a wooden spoon when I'm doing this, because I don't like scratching my pans, you know. So, right. Let the heat get to them, let them change colour. I'll show you when they've done it. Well, I'm waiting for this. I'm going to make a pint of chicken stock. 1 pint chicken stock, okay? Pay attention. Right, what I'm showing you there, viewers, is that's the fat left from the bacon there. Look at the colour of them. They smell amazing. Could eat this on its own on a sandwich with some mushrooms, I think. But there's the oil left. I'm going to fry the chicken thighs in the oil now and put the bacon in when we've got the stock in and the peas. I'll show you as we're going along. Right viewers, I'm using 10 pieces of chicken. Normally the recipe calls for 8 thighs. I'm going to fry batches of 4 on a medium heat, about 3 minutes aside, and then flip them over and then take them out the pan, get the next batch in. Okay? You want 3 minutes on each side, and that should do it. Right, my chicken's cooked. I've done 3 sides. Look at the colour of that chicken. It's amazing. I want to eat it now. So that's what you want to be looking for. I'm going to take that batch out and put another batch in. Right, my chicken's done. I've done all the 10 pieces. I'm just going to put in a nice spoonful of lazy garlic there in the pan, and I'm going to put my spring onions in. There we go.
Yeah.
Also one side.
Yeah.
And then what's one in there?
And then you
Right. Cover the potatoes with boiling water. I'm going to pat boil them for 10 minutes. Bit of salt in, bit of salt. Oops, there, bit of salt, there you go. Get them on. Right. Pan lid. Never call anyone a pan lid. Work it out. Right, cut. Potatoes are on, chicken's on, potatoes are boiling. Brew time. Brew time! Right, I don't think I've ever done this. I'm going to show, just for anyone that's never done this, this is how you drain vegetables or anything, and use a colander. So I'll turn the heat off the pan, and I'm just going to very gently take the lid off. Oh, steam, because it's hot. Yeah. Can you see me? I can't see for steam. Right, and I'm just going to give them a little whirl. Like that, look, and hot water drains down. Right.
Just a note here, viewers, make sure you add the chicken stock before you put the potatoes in.
Right, and now to the chicken and the onions. Right, I've had the potatoes, and now I'm just going to put in about 500 grams of frozen peas. Roughly, about right now. I'm also going to put in the lettuce. Okay, in we go. Oops, forward. So, it looks like I need some more liquid there to make it. Don't do that at home, viewers. Give it a stir now. And get the juices and everything on top of this. Come back, everything. Try and keep as much in the pan as you can. Get to eat more that way. Right, I'm going to put a lid on that now, and I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes. And I reckon we'll be right there. Oh, it looks amazing, that. Right, 5 minutes, and we'll have a look at it. Right, viewers, I'm just going to put a great big spoonful, how big's that, of creme fraiche in with the chicken and the peas and the potatoes, and then lettuce. I'm just going to stir that in. Oh, good stuff this. So, you're going to get 10 portions. sorry, 5 portions, 10 pieces of chicken, 2 pieces of portion, shove the potatoes out. That's 5 meals. 5 meals for less than a tenner. And it's all good stuff, you know what's gone in here. There's no artificial anything in there. All good here, right? All good stuff. Now then, what we've also done, the skins that we took off the fillets have gone in the oven. We spread them out on tin foil on a baking tray, salt and pepper on the skins, and we're baking them at gas mark 8 for 10 to 15 minutes until they go crispy. And I'll show you these when they come out the oven, and we're going to chop them up and use them like croutons. It's going to be fantastic. Alright? Right then, 15 minutes later, I'm just showing you, we've cooked the skins. Look at that, they're like crisps. And we're going to chop these up now, drain the fat off them. You can hear them, they're really crisp and crunchy. I actually want to eat them actually with a bit of salt and pepper on. And then we're going to sprinkle them over the top of the pan of chicken that we just made. Right, viewers, I'm almost done. I just want to, for single people out there, when I go shopping, I can never buy any food just for one. It's a nightmare. So I've decided to start cooking my own stuff. I know what's in it, and I'm looking at the cost. But this is a brilliant way of portioning a pan of good stuff on, and then freezing it once it's cooled down. And I must emphasise, you've got to let everything cool down before you attempt to freeze it. So all I'm going to show you now is, have a look at this. This is one portion, this. Right, that's going to plenty for one person. I've sprinkled some of the crispy skin that we cooked earlier on, and I'm going to let that cool down. Now I'm going to get 5 subs of this out of here now, right? Look at that, it goes down there. Seal it, the edges. And then I'm going to write on it what it is and the dates, and once it's cooled down and I can't feel any heat at all on this container, it can freeze for as many days as you want to freeze it for. Right on the top there, what it is, and go to your uncle, manager, you've got one.